Hey folks, today I want to talk to you about sugar detox. Detoxing yourself out of sugar, the craving for sugar. So why do you crave sugar? The number one missed reason why you crave sugar is because you have fungus in your system. You have almost like candida. And it's not the fungus issue, it's because you've been eating the wrong foods. The starches, the cooked starches, the animal products, the milk have given you a breeding ground, okay, for these fungus, bacteria, and parasites to grow. By eating the wrong foods, the lymphatic system gets stagnant. Your lymphatic system is the main sewer system of your body, or the main immune system of the body. Its job is to remove acids from your 100 trillion cells, and acids from the foods you consume through the kidneys where it's expelled. When the lymphatic system gets stagnant, thanks to the foods you're eating, it can no longer take these acids out, and this is going to cause a problem. That lymphatic system, once it gets stagnant, also becomes a breeding ground for fungus, bacteria, etc. Okay, it's just like a septic tank. If it's not flowing, it's going to fester and it's going to develop a lot of fungus. So this is where the craving comes from. But when you're craving sugar, your body is not actually craving the sugar, it's the fungus that's creating the sugar. Okay, so you want to cut out the starches, you want to cut out the animal products, period. And then go on fruits. Now here's the magic. Fruit sugars are the most powerful things to consume. They will clean out all the fungus out. They will clean out your system. It will get the lymphatic system moving again. They'll get your kidneys filtering, which means that all the acids and everything can come out. So if you have candida, if you have any sugar problems and you want to detox your sugar out of your life, the key is to begin to eat fruits. Yes, I know it doesn't make any sense to you because fruits, you have been told fruits are the cause, or fruits are sugars. Yes, fruits are sugars, but they're not refined sugars. And the body needs them and uses them. They contain all the flavonoids, all the amino acids, all the minerals, all the vitamins you need. If you eat nothing but fruits, your body will become very healthy. You will lose a lot of weight, okay? And your sugar cravings are going to drop. It's a fact. If you eat nothing but fruits, your sugar cravings will drop. This is the real way to detox from sugar. When you consume refined sugar, it's like a starch. It's kind of complex, and the body has to break it down. So this breeds problem. But when you consume fruits, it's natural. In fact, fruit sugars go directly into the cell by diffusion, whereas other sugars, they need insulin. So there's a big difference. No one is telling you this stuff because they don't know about it, or because they want you to buy supplements and other stuff. No, I'm telling the truth. You want to get over your sugar cravings, you want an effective sugar detox, you consume nothing but fruits for a little while. You go on a fruit protocol. I have a fruit protocol underneath below. You click the link below, you get the link, join it for free, and start detoxing your body of sugars. This is the real sugar detox program. So I hope this helped you. There's more of this coming your way.